Want to turn your home into a smarter, more comfortable space? These viral TikTok smart home gadgets make everyday living easier, cozier, and way more fun. From mood-boosting lighting to time-saving helpers, they're the upgrades you didn't know you needed. All products are linked in the description below. Tension in your neck and shoulders. This cordless massager melts it away with deep, hand-like kneading that feels just like a real massage. 6 rotating nodes work in 4D motion to cover a wide area, easing stiffness and tightness. Add soothing heat for even more comfort and better circulation. Lightweight and portable, it slips into your bag so you can enjoy pure relaxation anywhere. Movie nights just got an upgrade. This smart coffee table hides a built-in fridge with dual temperature drawers, keeping snacks and drinks perfectly chilled within arm's reach. Built-in Bluetooth speakers fill the room with rich sound, while LED lights pulse to the beat. A wireless charging pad plus USB ports keep your devices powered without clutter. It's a table, a fridge, a speaker, and your living room's new centerpiece. Fresh juice doesn't have to be a hassle. This slow juicer works at a gentle 60 RPM, squeezing out every drop of vitamins and minerals without adding air. The wide chute swallows whole fruits and veggies, so you spend less time chopping. A powerful but quiet motor handles even tough ingredients with ease. From juice to smoothies to nut milk, you get pure, nutrient-packed drinks in minutes. No more wasting half-used fruits or veggies. These colorful silicone pods keep them fresh and ready whenever you are. Whether it's half an avocado, leftover onion, or a handful of grapes, the snug seal locks in flavor while preventing odors from escaping. Lightweight and reusable, they're easy to toss in a bag for lunch or snacks on the go. And cleanup takes just seconds under running water. Work anywhere without sacrificing comfort. This lap desk fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, with extra room for a mouse and accessories. A built-in mouse pad and phone slot keep everything within reach, while the cushioned wrist rest supports your hands during long sessions. The dual bolster cushion keeps your lap cool and stable. Lightweight with a carrying handle, it's perfect for moving from couch to desk to bed. Let your curtains open themselves while you relax. This smart curtain opener installs in minutes, no tools, no hassle, and connects to your phone for instant control. You can schedule them to open with the sunrise, close at night, or adjust to any position with a tap. The powerful motor handles even heavy fabrics, and silent mode keeps it whisper quiet. It's convenience, comfort, and a little touch of luxury in one. Power up anywhere, rain or shine. This rugged portable charger packs 5,000 milliamps of juice with fast USB-C charging to keep your phone, tablet, or earbuds ready on the go. Waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, it's built for hiking trails, camping trips, or everyday commutes. The smart tech adjusts power output for each device, and its tough design can handle drops and rough use. Adventure-ready and always reliable. Sitting still all day? Not with this chair. Its unique design lets you sit cross-legged, kneel, squat, or switch to countless comfy positions whenever you feel like it. The plush seat and supportive backrest keep you comfortable, while the swivel footstool gives you even more flexibility. It's perfect for work, study, or meditation. Finally, a chair that moves with you instead of holding you still. Craving a golden, melty grilled cheese? This double-sided sandwich pan cooks from both sides for even heat and crispy perfection in just minutes. Lock the handles, flip it, and your breakfast, toasty or omelet, is ready before you know it. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the detachable design is great for camping or small kitchens. Quick, tasty, and easy, right on your stovetop. time doesn't just tick away, it glows. This digital hourglass swaps falling sand for a cascade of LED lights that slowly drift down, creating a calming visual countdown. You can set it anywhere from 1 to 30 minutes, making it great for games, study sessions, or quiet relaxation. Brightness is adjustable, and the smooth design fits right into any room. It's part timer, part decor, and completely mesmerizing. Cleaning doesn't have to be a back-breaking chore. This broom and dustpan set lets you sweep standing tall, thanks to its adjustable long handle. The broom head rotates 180 degrees to reach under furniture and into tricky corners with ease. Built-in comb teeth pull out dust and hair without touching the mess. When you're done, it folds up neatly for compact, upright storage. Fresh air anywhere you cook. This portable range hood sits right on your counter, pulling in smoke, steam, and cooking odors with its 2-speed exhaust fan. 3 layers of filtration, including a grease filter and carbon filter, keep the air cleaner, while the large oil cup collects mess for easy disposal. Lightweight, scratch-resistant, and quiet, it's perfect for small kitchens, RVs, indoor BBQs, and even hot pot nights. No installation required. Hot day in the kitchen? This mini portable air cooler brings the chill right where you need it. Using rapid ice mist technology, it cools the air in seconds, perfect for beating the heat while you cook, work, or relax. Choose from 3 airflow levels, from a soft breeze to a powerful blast. Place it on a counter or mount it on the wall without drilling. Compact, quiet, and refreshingly effective. Big loads don't have to mean big effort. This lightweight folding hand truck glides smoothly on 360-degree swivel wheels, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The adjustable handle lets you set the perfect height for comfortable pulling or pushing. Anti-skid pads and included bungee cords keep your cargo secure. When the job's done, it folds down small enough to store in a closet, car trunk, or office corner. Charge your Apple essentials in style. The MagTube Qi 2 3-in-1 station powers your iPhone up to 15 watts, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, with MagSafe compatible magnetic alignment for a perfect snap every time. Built-in safety features like foreign object detection and overcurrent protection keep your devices safe, while its compact, travel-ready design fits perfectly on your desk, nightstand, or in your bag. Ironing just got a serious upgrade. This smart iron lowers itself when you touch the handle and automatically lifts when you let go. No more scorched fabric or wrist strain. The diamond ceramic sole plate glides smoothly over any material, wiping out wrinkles fast. With powerful steam in multiple modes, it's ready for clothes, quilting, or crafts. Long cord, big water tank, and auto shutoff make it as convenient as it is clever. Turn dessert into a one-handed victory. This clever scooper cuts perfect portions of ice cream, gelato, or sorbet with a simple push and twist. It even serves straight onto cookies for instant ice cream sandwiches. No prep needed. Stainless steel edges slice through everything from chunky flavors to smooth sorbets. Comfortable to hold and dishwasher safe, it makes scooping as fun as eating. Sweep, and it's gone. No bending, no dustpan, no hassle. This touchless vacuum uses infrared sensors to detect dirt, pet hair, and debris, sucking it all up the moment you sweep toward it. The 1,000-watt motor works fast, leaving floors spotless in seconds. High-efficiency filters trap dust and return clean air to the room. Always on and ready, it's the ultimate helper for quick, everyday cleanups. Sweep and vacuum in one smooth motion. This cordless 2-in-1 sweeper has high-quality bristles to grab even the tiniest crumbs, while the powerful motor sucks them straight in. No dustpan needed, just hit the eject button and empty it into the trash. The lightweight design and long life battery make cleaning quick and easy. Perfect for hard floors, quick touch-ups, and avoiding the hassle of dragging out a big vacuum. It's like having a tiny robot roommate who actually listens. This AI desktop companion chats with you, remembers past conversations, and reacts with real personality, sometimes playful, sometimes thoughtful. It sees you, hears you, and even recognizes your gestures, making interactions feel alive. Beyond the charm, it doubles as a wireless charger and phone stand. Over time, it learns your habits, growing into a companion that truly feels like your own. Keep your pet's food fresh and your space looking sleek. This stainless steel storage container has an airtight seal that locks in freshness and keeps curious paws out. The lid hides a magnetic scoop, so feeding time is always quick and easy. Its slim design fits neatly in tight spots, and the fingerprint-proof finish stays clean. Perfect for pet food, or even bulk kitchen staples like rice or flour. Cool your room without the worry of spinning blades. This modern bladeless ceiling fan doubles as a stylish LED light, giving you both comfort and brightness in one sleek design. The dimmable light lets you set the mood, while 6 fan speeds give you the perfect breeze, from a gentle whisper to a strong, cool flow. A remote puts full control in your hands, and with no blades to clean, upkeep is quick and easy. Washing your hands just got smarter. This sleek basin faucet has a built-in LED display that shows your exact water temperature in real time. No guessing, no surprises. The hot and cold mixer lets you fine-tune the perfect warmth for comfort. Made from durable copper, it's built to last while adding a modern touch to your sink. Simple, stylish, and surprisingly high-tech for everyday use. Hand-washing delicates is a chore you can skip. This portable mini washer uses ultrasonic cleaning to lift stains and freshen fabrics without the scrubbing. Just add water, press a button, and it gets to work. Gentle on underwear, socks, baby clothes, and even silk or lace. Lightweight and cordless, it slips into a bag for travel, so fresh laundry is always within reach, wherever you go. Your bathroom routine just got an upgrade. This smart toilet with a built-in bidet handles comfort and hygiene in one sleek design. The stainless steel wand adjusts spray position, pressure, and temperature for a personalized cleanse. The lid opens and closes hands-free, and the self-cleaning system uses UV light to keep it fresh. Dual flush technology saves water, while the quiet closed seat keeps things peaceful.